Today, I'll walk you through how to show bubbles on a map in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a visually engaging map that represents data with bubbles so you can effectively communicate insights in your reports. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is your canvas where all the magic happens. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionalities remain the same, just like how every artist has their unique style while using the same set of colors. Next, we need to create a map. To do this, click on the Visualizations pane and choose the map icon. This action is similar to selecting a canvas for your painting. Once you have your map ready, it's time to populate it with data. Now, on the map, locate the field labeled Location. Here, you will add the country, state, city, or any location identifier that you have in your report. This step is crucial as it tells Power BI where to place the bubbles on the map. After that, let's focus on the bubble size. Drag and drop the data that you want to be represented by the bubbles into the bubble size field. For this example, I've added gross sales. As you can see, the bubbles now represent the gross sales for each country. The bigger the bubble, the higher the sales for that specific country, just like how larger balloons float higher at a celebration. Finally, take a moment to review your map. You should see a clear visual representation of your data, with bubbles indicating sales performance across different regions. This visualization not only enhances your report, but also makes it easier for your audience to understand the data at a glance. If you followed along, congratulations! You've successfully learned how to show bubbles on a map in Power BI. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.